is hiding here? Sunflower. It is a big yellow flower that follows the sun. Its seeds are a very crunchy and healthy snack for kids. Can you guess this one? Watermelon. It is a giant green fruit that is bright red and juicy inside. It keeps you cool and hydrated on a sunny day. What is this fruit? Pineapple. It is a yellow fruit with prickly skin and a green crown. It tastes sweet and tangy. Which vegetable is this? Eggplant. It is a shiny purple vegetable with a green cap. It becomes very soft and tasty when cooked for dinner. Guess the fruit. Dragon fruit. It is a pink fruit with green scales like a dragon. Inside, it is white with tiny black seeds. Do you know this one? Ladyfinger, also called okra. It is a long, slim green vegetable shaped like a finger. It is very healthy for your body. What can this be? Strawberry. It is a small red fruit shaped like a heart. Its tiny seeds are on the outside of its skin. Can you name it? Bell pepper. It is a crunchy vegetable that comes in red, yellow, and green. It is sweet and not spicy at all. Who is this? Sugarcane. It is a tall, strong grass filled with sweet juice. We use it to make fresh juice and sugar. What is in the picture? Butternut squash. It is a tan-colored vegetable that is bright orange inside. It tastes creamy and sweet like butter. Which one is this? Starfruit. It is a yellow fruit that looks exactly like a star when you cut it into slices. Guess the name? Sweet potato. It looks like a potato, but is orange inside and tastes very sweet. It gives you lots of energy. What is this vegetable? Bottle gourd. It is a long, smooth green vegetable. It is very watery and healthy for your tummy. Can you guess this? Honeydew melon. It is a round green fruit that is very sweet and juicy, just like drops of honey. Who is hiding here? Passion fruit. It is a small, round fruit with a tough skin. It has a very strong and nice tropical smell. What vegetable is this? Snake gourd. It is a very long, thin vegetable with white stripes. It looks like a snake hanging from the plant. Do you know this one? custard apple. It is a bumpy green fruit that is snowy white inside. It tastes like a sweet bowl of vanilla custard. Can you name it? Cornflakes. These are crunchy pieces of toasted corn. Kids love to eat them with cold milk for breakfast. What can this be? Jackfruit. It is a giant green fruit with bumpy skin. It is the biggest fruit that grows on a tree. Who is this? Coconut. It is a hard brown nut with white meat and sweet water inside. It grows on tall palm trees. Which fruit is this? Kiwi. It is a small fruit with brown fuzzy skin. Inside, it is bright green with tiny black seeds. Guess the veggie. Bitter gourd. It is a bumpy green vegetable. It tastes bitter, but is very good for keeping your body healthy. What is in the picture? Grapefruit. It looks like a big orange, but is pink inside. It tastes refreshing, sour, and a little bit bitter. Can you guess this? Red chili. It is a small, bright red vegetable. It is very hot and spicy and adds color to food. Who is hiding here? Spring onion. It is a long green onion with a small white bulb. It tastes very fresh in soups and salads. Which one is this? Rose apple. It is a bell-shaped fruit that smells like a rose. It is very crunchy and light to eat. Guess the name? Walnut. It is a brain-shaped nut that lives in a hard shell. It helps your brain stay smart and sharp. What is this vegetable? Baby corn. It is a very tiny and sweet corn. You can eat the whole thing in one crunchy bite. Do you know this one? Groundnut, also called a peanut. It grows under the ground in a shell. It is a very crunchy snack. Can you name it? Wood apple. It has a very hard gray shell like wood. Inside, it has a healthy brown pulp for juice. Who is this? Peanut. It is a small, crunchy nut in a light brown shell. It is used to make yummy peanut butter. What can this be? Ice apple. It is a clear, jelly-like fruit that looks like ice. It is very cool and refreshing in summer. Which vegetable is this? Green peas. These are small, round green balls that live in a pod. They are sweet and fun to pop. Guess the fruit. Blueberry. It is a tiny, round blue fruit. It is sweet and can turn your tongue a little bit blue. What is in the picture? Garlic. It is a white vegetable with a strong smell. We use its small cloves to make food taste savory. Can you guess this? Snap peas. These are crunchy peas you eat with the pod. They make a snap sound when you bite them. Who is hiding here? Ridge gourd. It is a green vegetable with sharp lines on its skin. Inside, it is very soft and healthy. Which one is this? Wax apple. It is a shiny, bell-shaped fruit. It is very watery and sweet, perfect for staying hydrated. Guess the name? Breadfruit. It is a large green fruit. When baked, it smells and tastes just like freshly baked bread. What is this fruit? Monkey fruit. It is a bumpy yellow fruit from the jungle. Monkeys love to eat its sweet and sour pulp. Do you know this one? Candy apple. This is a fresh apple dipped in a sweet red candy coating. It is a special festival treat. Can you name it? Cashew nut. It is a kidney-shaped nut that is very soft and creamy. It is a favorite snack for kids. Who is this? Applesauce. This is made of mashed up cooked apples. It is soft, sweet, and very easy for babies to eat. What can this be? Green beans. These are long, thin green vegetables. They are very crunchy and healthy side dishes. Which vegetable is this? Red cabbage. It is a round purple vegetable. It is very crunchy and looks beautiful in salads. Guess the fruit. Palm fruit. This dark fruit grows on palm trees. Inside, it has sweet, jelly-like seeds that are very cool. What is in the picture? Sea grapes. These are tiny green bubbles from the ocean. They look like grapes and pop in your mouth. Can you guess this? Sugar pear. It is a very small and extra sweet pear. It is the perfect size for a healthy kid's snack. Who is hiding here? Egg fruit. It is a yellow yellow fruit that looks like a boiled egg yolk inside. It tastes very sweet and creamy. Final one. Stone fruit. This is any fruit like a peach or cherry that has a big, hard seed in the middle, like a stone.